Hello. Yeah, and this time we'll be using the keypad interface in the phone app. Now, this tip is guaranteed to be really useful for MTN clients. So if you do have an MTN SIM, you stand to gain from using this. And it's best if it's used in case of emergencies, because there are times where you are stranded or in danger, just badly in need of help, but you have no airtime, no momo, nothing, but you desperately need to make just one call. So what do you do now? You can't make the call for free. They don't do freebies, but you can call the person and then let him pay. So once you use the code and call the person will realize that, oh, okay, this is no ordinary call. You have to press 1 to accept or 0 to cancel. So what's this code? It's just the number 1, 5, and 4. That's it. So you follow this. Sorry. You follow this with the number that you are trying to call, the 10-digit number. So let's say 0244258006. That's 10, I think. Let me check out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, that's 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me just add one more. Boom. So that's it. Once you press call, it will route it to the person's number. Then the person will have to accept that call. And once you start communicating, you know that once you're done, there will be no pop-up on your screen that, oh, you have used maybe 0.5 pesos, your remaining balance is now, because you are not the one that the service provider is recognizing as the payer of that call. So the person who picked the call will rather get an alert or will rather be billed for the time you have spent on the call. So I hope and I think it will come in handy for MTN clients, people who use MTN. I use Vodafone, and I don't think there's a similar service for us. But this is a simple trick, and I was happy to share it with you.